Right, I'm assuming that you have activated your plugin. Facebook Walleria should be now appearing on the plugin list of your the list of your plugins that are installed on your WordPress site. So you come, you click to activate your Facebook Walleria version 2.3. After activating like this, there should be a warning that you will not be able to use Facebook Walleria unless you set a valid application ID and an application secret. Please set up your account. Now on the settings, you should be able to see a Facebook Walleria link, which when you click, you should be taken to the settings of Facebook Walleria, where you can set up your Facebook Walleria. As you can see, there is a warning again that you cannot use it until you have a valid application ID and an application secret. I'll explain what an application ID is. An application ID is the ID that you get from Facebook of your application that you would have created at Facebook. You also get an application secret there, and I'll show you where. The share picture is the picture that you will be showing whenever somebody clicks to share a stream or an event post on your website. There will be a picture that will be attached on the Facebook dialog that will appear for a person to share that event or stream or feed post on his wall. So let us go to Facebook and get the application list that I have. So if I open this in Facebook, I should be able to see my application list, the list that I have of my applications. If you don't have any applications, you can come and here and create a new application. Facebook will take you through creation of a new application. But as for me, I will take this as my application ID and I'll paste it here under application ID. Then for my application secret, I'm going to take this. Never share your application secret with anybody because it can be used to hack into your account. So as for me, I'm going to change that application secret, but I'm coming here and pasting it here. Right now, this is a link to the photo that I'll be showing when I'll be sharing. Whenever somebody wishes to share something on his wall from my website. So now, when I click save like this, as you can see now, it is saying you are now leaving your site to get permissions at Facebook. So I click OK. We leave my site and we go to Facebook, where there will be a request now for me to grant permissions to my application to be able to access my pages, post to Facebook, access my posts in my new feed, and my data at any time. I will allow this. So when I allow it, it means I've given the permissions for my application to retrieve a number of things from Facebook on my behalf. As you can see now, it is showing me that Facebook Walleria is set up and ready to use. Well, you can change all these other things. These are basically these tabs are basically for customization of the fancy box gallery. So after I've done this, it means my Facebook Walleria is now ready for me to use. So I can go and create a new post. Maybe let me go and say add new post. Right. So this is my post, my very first post. Now let's say I want to get the wall, Coca-Cola's wall. I'll use my FP wall. ID is Coca-Cola. This Coca-Cola is an alias that is used on Facebook. You can use a numerical ID or an alias like this. So I've taken I've used an alias like this. I publish. Now after publishing, automatically when I click view post, I should be able to view my very first post. So here it is, and this is my very first post. As you can see, this is my Coca-Cola feed. You can also use any other. Let's say you want to get albums. You can use FP albums for Coca-Cola. Let's see how many albums we're gonna get from Coca-Cola. So when I come and I'm supposed to see a number of albums coming up. See, so there they are. These are the albums, Coca-Cola's albums on my site. As you can see, with paging, and I can see everything that I want. You can see everything is coded in Ajax, so it must be easy to load. Like now I'm back on my albums. There are a number of other shortcodes. I encourage you to read about them. You can show photos of an album. For example, if you just want to show this kind of gallery where you don't show all the albums, you just show one album, one gallery like this. There's a shortcode for that. So I urge you to take your time and read about these shortcuts. You can also show events. If you want to show events, let's say all the events that Coca-Cola has. Let's hope Coca-Cola has got some events. Let's say FP all events and see what Coca-Cola has. Yeah, there they are. These are the events for which Coca-Cola has. So if I click here, I have a full event, but at the same time I still have all the other events at the bottom there. But I can close this drawer here, then I can go to the next and I view. You can do a lot of things with Facebook Walleria. I hope you're going to have a nice time and you're going to enjoy your experience. Thank you.